Hey, what's up guys? Welcome to a new Cryptomindd video. In this video I'd like to talk about a trading plan. Because believe it or not guys, a trading plan is super essential. And maybe a lot of you guys know that a trading plan is essential, but you don't have a trading plan because you don't know what to put in your trading plan. So that's the purpose of this video. So after this video I'd like you to make your own trading plan. Because believe me guys, it will change your profitability and your consistency if you are dedicated and if you have some fucking discipline. So what do you want to see in your trading plan? Let me write things down. Trading plan. So what should be in your trading plan? First of all, the time frames that you like to trade. Do you like to trade 5 minute, 15 minute, 30 minute, 1 hour, 2 hour, 3, 4, 5 hour, 6 hour, daily, weekly, monthly, whatever. Decide the time frames that you'd like to trade on. So write down time frames. As well, decide what type of trader are you. Are you a trend trader? Are you a counter trend trader? Are you a day trader, scalper, or swing trader? All things that you need to decide. Now, if I can give an advice, please try to trade in trends. Don't try to be a counter trend trader. It's super risky, but yeah, still a lot of people do it. So, trend or counter trend trader, scalper, day trader, swing trader. Decide that for yourself. What are you? Are you a counter trend trader, scalper, day, or swing trader? Super important for you to know that, guys, and that only comes with experience. Again, if I can give an advice, focus on swing. Swing trading equals winning. Swing equals winning. Swing trading, you catch the bigger moves. You have more patience. You just need more patience. And in my opinion, it's just more fun. The real money is in swing trading, in my opinion. But again, everybody's opinion is different. So yeah. As well, your entry signals. With that, I mean, on what do you base your entries? Candles, structure breaks, retests, indications, or whatever. That needs to be in your trading plan. Super important, guys. As well, of course, if you have the entry signals, you need to find the exit signals. Why do you exit your trade? On what is it based? Write all those things down. Super important, guys. Super important. I want you to do that after watching this video. And of course, super important, which a lot of people forget because of over leveraging in their trades, is risk management. Right? Risk management is super important, guys. Decide what your risk to reward is, your position size, how much you want to risk per trade. Again, I advise if risk per trade is maximum 3%. That's the best advice I can give. 1 to 3% maximum. Okay? Because then you have margin enough and space enough to keep trading. 1 to 3% maximum risk. Super important, guys. Okay? After that, we should as well decide what pairs you like to trade. For me, that comes mostly down to Bitcoin, Ethereum, and gold. So, pairs to trade. And again, this is just something based on my opinion, pairs to trade, okay? Something based on my opinion. I like to have 1 to 5 pairs maximum. Because I don't want to watch other markets because I don't care about them. But I as well don't advise to like put a ring on one certain pair, like only watch Euro USD. It's not the thing that I do advise, but it depends on what you like. For me, it's 5 pairs maximum. I won't put a ring around one pair. I like to watch multiple pairs. But yeah, for you, that could be 10 pairs, 20 pairs. It's all up to you. Have goals in your trading. Write down your goals, guys. For trading, it's super important to write down your goals. If you don't write down your goals, I don't know what you're doing. Writing down your goals in trading is super important. With that I mean is how much percent a month do you want to make, how much percent a trade do you want to make, and so on and so on. As well, this goes with sort of risk management. Okay, so calculate your goals and make sure they are measurable. And after you did all of that, fucking backtest your trading plan and your strategy. This is it, guys. A trading plan is not difficult, and it's super simple to make. Not really super simple, but it's super simple, you know what I mean. And if you use all these factors and make a solid trading plan, you could become more profitable because you stay stuck to your fucking trading plan. And that's the key and the purpose of your trading plan. If somebody needs help with making their trading plan whatsoever, you can always send me a message on Instagram. I'm always available to answer, and I will gladly help you guys out. Public or members, I don't care. I help everybody out where I can. So I hope this video was useful for you guys and that you can use this in your advantage. And again, please, after watching this video, make sure to make a trading plan. Okay, guys? So take care, stay safe, and peace.